Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about how to add and subtract mixed numbers. In the previous videos, we've talked about fractions and mixed numbers, and now we're going to start putting those together by adding and subtracting them. So let's get started with A. For letter A, we have 1 and 1/4 plus 2 and a half. To simplify this, the first step is to combine the whole numbers. So we have 1 plus 2. That gives us 3. Now we have to add the fractions. We'll do that in a different color. Bring them over here. So we have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. How do we do this? First things first, we have to find a common denominator. So we will rewrite 1 over 2 as, you guessed it, 2 over 4. And now we can simplify. The denominator stays the same, and we add the numerator, which is 1 plus 2, giving us 3. So we have 3 and 3/4 as our final answer. Now let's try part B. We have 3 and 2/3 minus 1 and 1/6. This is very similar to the previous problem, except now we have subtraction. So let's start with the whole numbers. We have 3 minus 1. That leaves us with 2. Next, let's simplify the fractions. We have 2 over 3 minus 1 over 6. Again, we have to find the same common denominator. In this case, that is 6. So we will multiply the 2/3 by 2 over 2, leaving us with 4 over 6. And now we can simplify. The denominator stays the same, and we have 4 minus 1 in the numerator, giving us 3. So we have 2 and 3 over 6. Again, we have to ask ourselves, is this fully simplified? The answer is no. We have to simplify the 3 over 6. To do that, we will rewrite it as 2, and then the simplified version of 3 over 6 is a half. And we know that because the 3 and the 6 can both be divided by 3. So our final answer is 2 and a half. For our last example, we have 5 and 2 over 5 plus 3 and 1/2. And you probably guessed it. Step 1, add the whole numbers. Step 2, add the fractions, giving us 2 over 5 plus 1/2. Again, we are going to simplify this by finding a least common denominator. In this case, it's 10. So to change 2/5 into a denominator of 10, we will multiply the top and bottom by 2, which gives us 4 over 10. And for the 1/2, we will multiply the top and bottom by 5, giving us 5 over 10. And we simplify, getting 9 over 10. So we have 8 and 9/10. Let's double check and make sure this cannot be simplified, and it cannot. So our final answer is 8 and 9/10. In this video, we have covered mixed numbers and how to add and subtract them. Once complete, we also covered how to simplify them. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to add and subtract improper fractions. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.